If you have been struggling with dullness, texture, or random breakouts, this video is for you. Today I'll be teaching you step by step how to exfoliate your face the right way using the salicylic acid serum, especially if you have combination skin like me. I have combination skin. My T-zone area is usually oily, well, other parts of my face can be normal, sometimes dry. It's not even dry, it's between oily normal skin, so that is combination skin. So I have combination skin, and I'm going to be using a salicylic acid serum to exfoliate my face, just my face. Okay, so I've had my bath and I've not washed my face because of this video. I'm going to be washing my face to show you guys step by step how to exfoliate your skin with salicylic acid serum. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Gloria, and on this channel we're all about beauty, motherhood, and a little bit of lifestyle. Do well to like this video, turn your post notifications so you don't miss out on all the amazing videos posting on this channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead to comment, leave comments on my videos, please. Let's get straight into this video. To wash my face, I'm going to be using the facefact ceramide hydrating gentle cleanser. This has been my go-to cleanser from day one. I've been using this cleanser for a very long time now, and I'm still using it. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be using to wash my face. So for the purpose of this video, I don't want to go to the bathroom. I'll be using a clean towel to wipe my face. Normally I'm supposed to wash this off in the bathroom, but I just want to show you guys everything here. Always make sure to rinse your face very well. Okay, make sure to rinse your face very well. It's very important. Let me do it one more time. It's very important to rinse your face very well. I'm going to be spraying water all over my face again because I need to apply my hydrating toner. This is the hydrating toner from Acwell. This is the acwell licorice pH balancing hydrating toner. Whenever you want to exfoliate your skin, make sure that the first and second step are products that are really hydrating. When I mean first and second step, this is the first step, which is for you to cleanse your skin with a hydrating cleanser. Don't use cleanser that will dry out your skin because salicylic acid itself dries out the skin. So you don't want something that will dry out your skin. After using a cleanser that dries out the skin, you also use a serum that will also dry out your skin. So you need to, your first and second step need to be hydrating products. So this is a hydrating cleanser and this is a hydrating toner, and even sensitive skin can use this toner. So I'm going to be using this, but for me to use this toner, I have to use it on a damp skin. So I'm going to be spraying water all over my face, just a little bit, to just give me a little moisture for me to apply this toner. Pour it on my palm, then work it into my skin like so. More, just because I like to be extra. Please, you need to be gentle with your skin when applying products, okay? Don't apply products harshly on your skin. I'm I'm going to let this sink in, but just to make it a bit faster, I'll be using my hand fan. So everything is all soaked into my skin. Now my face is dry and soft. I'm now going with the Salicylic acid serum. I'm not going to apply it directly on my face. I'm going to put it on my palms, then apply it on my face gently. This is it. Light. So you gently work this into your skin. Please avoid your eye area. I need a little more. So I'm going to let this soak into my skin for 10 minutes. Then I'll come back for the next step. Now the salicylic acid serum has fully absorbed into my skin. Now let's move on to the next step. The next step is to go in with the ceramide serum, Exfoliate ceramide serum, to help to balance and hydrate my skin. See how my skin is looking really hydrated? My skin is looking really hydrated. Can you see? Can you see how my skin is looking really hydrated? So I'm going with my moisturizer. This is from Facefact. This is the Facefact Ceramide Moisturizing Gel Cream. This moisturizer is also very good to balance my skin, repair my skin, you know. So it also contains hyaluronic acid in here, which is going to also help to protect and hydrate my skin. So once you are done exfoliating your skin with the salicylic acid serum or even a toner, always make sure to follow up with hydrating products, your moisturizer, your ceramide serum. You see how my skin is looking really hydrated. So last but definitely not the least, because this is actually my morning routine, so I need a sunscreen because I use the salicylic acid serum. I cannot do without a sunscreen because I'll be going out and I have to apply my sunscreen. But if you do this at night, if you exfoliate your face at night, you don't need to apply your sunscreen. Once you are done applying your moisturizer, that is it. If you are doing it at night, I love to exfoliate my face at night most times, but it's just because of this video, and I don't want to film this video at night. That is why I'm actually doing it in the morning to show you guys how to exfoliate your face. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Skin Aqua sunscreen on my face. This is what I use on my face currently, and I'm loving this sunscreen so much. You can use any sunscreen of your choice as long as it's a good sunscreen and it doesn't leave white cast on your face. As long as it has SPF 50 plus upwards. Please don't go below SPF 50, especially if you exfoliate your face. You need a sunscreen, a very good sunscreen to protect your skin. Okay, so you can use any sunscreen of your choice. You can use any moisturizer. Most of the products I've shown in this video are the products that I use personally. You can use different products. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to recommend other products that you can use on your face that is quite affordable as well. Let me know in the comment section. You can use any product of your choice as long as it's working. So let me go ahead and apply my sunscreen. 2-finger rule. Apply. I'm just going to work that in. Please be very generous with your sunscreen. This sunscreen is also very hydrating. This is also a very hydrating sunscreen. That is one of the reasons why I love this particular sunscreen. It's not greasy, it's not oily to use. Sometimes if I really have time, I like to just allow it soak in by itself, but guys, I'm running late. I have a lot to do this morning, so I have to, you know, work that into my skin by myself. And please, whenever you're applying your products, don't forget to apply products on your neck as well. Your neck should not be left out, please. You see, it's very hydrating. You see how it just absorbs into my skin, no white cast, nothing. See how my skin is looking so hydrated, it's looking so moisturized. This is what you want to achieve. This is what you want on your skin. Okay, a few ingredients you should never mix with your salicylic acid. Number one is your glycolic acid. If you're using a cleanser or a toner or a moisturizer that has glycolic acid, please avoid mission. Don't use glycolic acid together with salicylic acid, okay? It's not good at all. Another ingredient you should never use with your salicylic acid is retinol or lactic acid. Don't use retinol with your salicylic acid. Don't use lactic acid with your salicylic acid. You can alternate them on different days. That is why most times you'll be complaining, this product is not working, this product is not working, but you don't know that there are some ingredients that is actually causing more harm than good to your skin. That is how I exfoliate my face using salicylic acid serum. Trust me, if you are consistent with this routine, you will start noticing smoother skin, fewer blackheads, like your acne will shrink. Like before you get acne on your skin, it will be very hard, and you also produce less oil. Okay, there will be less oil buildup on your skin, on your face as well. Okay, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found this video helpful, go ahead to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed, leave in the comment, do you use salicylic acid serum as your exfoliant, as your chemical exfoliant? Let me know in the comment section. See you in my next video. For now, bye.